Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn how we can use Anthropic inside Pabbly Connect. As we all know, Anthropic is an AI software and tool, and we can do a lot more things with AI like creating new content, creating new articles, new blogs. We can even create new posts for our social media. We can write new caption for our social media. We can even do email marketing by using AI. And we are going to do all this inside Pabbly Connect by integrating Anthropic with other more applications. And we are going to automate this process so that it will save our time and energy. And Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. So to learn more about this, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today I'm going to show you how I am going to use Anthropic in Pabbly Connect. As we all know, Anthropic is an AI research company which is building general AI systems and language models. And with the use of Anthropic, we can create new content, we can do email marketing, we can create new captions for my social media posts, we can generate new articles, blogs, and marketing strategy, and we can do a lot more using Anthropic and AI. In Pabbly Connect, I can connect Anthropic with a lot of applications, and I can let AI do my work. It will save my time and energy. I will just have to create an integration between Anthropic and other applications in Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to show you two examples of how I'm going to use Anthropic in Pabbly Connect. First, we have this Google Sheet, and I have these topics for my blog, and I need to type new blog on these topics, but there I'm going to use Anthropic to create these blogs automatically using AI. For that, let's go to Pabbly Connect. And here I have already connected my Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect, and in this response we are getting the topic on which I am going to create new blogs on. So I am going to use this trigger response to generate new blogs using Anthropic. So I will add Anthropic on my Actions tab. So I will open this and I will search for Anthropic. So this will be my action application, and I will give an action event which will be create completion. And I'm going to connect my Anthropic with Pabbly Connect. I will click on add new connection. For connecting my Anthropic with Pabbly Connect, I need to give an API key. You can get that API key from the account setting after getting login in your Anthropic account. So I will just paste my API key here. So this is my API key, and I will click on save. And my connection is successful. So here we have these details, and we have to fill all these details to create new blog. Here we have to fill model first. So I'm going to use Cloud 2 model. So I will select this. Now I have to write my prompt for writing new blog. So this will be my prompt. Write a new blog on topic, and I will map the topic from my trigger response. So I will open this, and this will be my topic. So this is my prompt. Write a new blog on topic, and this is my topic. What is marketing? So this is my prompt. And now I have to give max tokens to sample. Enter the maximum number of tokens to generate before stopping. For max tokens, I will put 250. So this will be my tokens. And after 250 tokens, this will stop generating the new blog. And now I have to give temperature. So what is temperature? Let's see. Enter temperature here. Amount of randomness in the response. The default is 1, ranging from 0 to 1. Use lower values for analytical tasks and higher for creative tasks. Must be less than or equal to 1. So I have to give temperature. So I'll put 0.7 here. Now we have top P. So enter nucleus sampling to restrict token options when cumulative probability reaches a specified top P value. Modify either temperature or top P, not both simultaneously, and it will ranges from 0 to 1. And we have top K here. So top K is enter samples from the top K option for each following token. This is used to filter out low probability responses in the long tail. And other detail is stop sequences. It says enter comma separated stop sequences to pause model text. Anthropic models halt at /n human and may include more stops. Use the stop sequence parameter for additional halting strings. These are other details, and we need to fill these details only when we need to create more creative content, and these are for the creativity. So I'm just going to click on save and send as request button. Here in the response we can see this has created a new blog for me, and I have used Anthropic to generate a new blog for my topic that we have on my Google Sheets. So I have connected my Google Sheets and Anthropic together. Now that I have generated this content for my blog, what I'm going to do next is that I will use this content and I will add another Actions tab, and in that I will add my Google Sheet and I will update this content on my Google Sheet by using action event update cell value, and this process will happen automatically. So here I have connected Anthropic with Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So in this example, Anthropic is generating blogs for us by taking the topics from Google Sheets, and it is also updating the same topic in our Google Sheets because of Pabbly Connect. Now for my second example, this is my YouTube channel and I have published this video. So we are getting a lot of comments on this video. So I will post one more comment on this. I will add a new comment which is amazing video, and I will comment this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect Anthropic and my YouTube channel together so that whenever I get a new comment on my YouTube video, it will generate a new reply by using Anthropic. I will automate this process by using Pabbly Connect. So here in my trigger, I will use YouTube and I will map my channel and my video on which I am getting new comments. So I will map that. So I will click on Save and Send Test Trigger button. And in the response, I am getting this new comment, which is amazing video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new Actions tab. In that, I'm going to use Anthropic. And by using Anthropic, I'm going to generate an auto reply for this particular comment. So I'm going to add a new Actions tab. I will click here. I will search for Anthropic. I will add an action event, which will be create completion. And I will connect my Anthropic account. And I will use the same account as I have already did. And in the model, I will use the same cloud. And here I'm going to change my prompt. So my prompt will be write a YouTube comment reply, and I will map that comment here. So this is my comment. Now what it will do is that it will find this comment and it will generate a new reply for this particular comment by using AI. And my token will be 100. I want a short reply, so I will use 100 tokens. And for the temperature, I will use the same 0.7. I will scroll down and I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. So here in the response, we can see that it has generated a new reply for that particular comment by using AI. After this, I can add another Actions tab. In that tab, I can add YouTube to auto replies to comment on my channel by the help of Pabbly Connect. Here I have created an integration between YouTube and Anthropic. So these are just the two examples of how you can use Anthropic in Pabbly Connect. And there are so many other applications that you can connect with Anthropic. You can generate contents, you can send auto-generated messages on WhatsApp. You can also create content for social media. And you can do all this by integrating Anthropic with other applications in Pabbly Connect. To learn more about this and to create more integration and automation like this, stay connected with Pabbly. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.